What's up guys, it's me once again. I'm unboxing my GoPro Jaws Flex clamp that I bought yesterday from OfferUp. I got it for 25 bucks. This retails for $49.99 I believe at Best Buy, so got it half off. So this is how it looks like. Actually I thought the clamp was gonna be pretty big and it's not, so you could attach your GoPro directly to the clamp for a little low profile recording, or you can even attach the neck to the clamp and the GoPro camera on the neck, and it's flexible too. So let's go ahead and unbox it, and it's compatible with all GoPro cameras, so can't go wrong with that. God damn. Seal in the mother cracker, you know. Let me see. God damn, man. See, here's the clamp itself. Damn, it's just harder than the mother, you know. So you could tell right away that it's gonna secure itself. So it's even hard to press it, open it. So this is it. See the little thing you could tie like to like small objects, and it goes, you can make it bigger. Then at the end, just put this little belt right here, just pull. So this is the neck right here. Flexible. Actually has like one right there, 2, 3, 4. It doesn't twist, turn. It's just flex left, right, forward and back, angled. So let's see. I know how this goes. There you go. Put it here, slide it back, clips in place. Yeah, alright, bro.
Where the light del baño on, Pancho? You're not there.
Put that way. There you have it. Now this is where I'm gonna do my unboxing videos too, so there you have it. Peace.